Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be unboxing my Young Living Essential Rewards order for the month of January. Now I am a little bit late in unboxing this box, but better late than never. And so for those of you who don't know, Young Living is an essential oil company. However, they have oil infused products for the household. They have products for men, women, children, babies, pets. They have supplements and nutritional items. They have all kinds of oil infused products that are designed to help promote a healthy lifestyle. And so I am an Essential Rewards member. I've been with Young Living for, I'm going on, I think 7 years. So since I'm an Essential Rewards member, I am committed to spending at least $50 a month on Young Living products. And so I get to go in and change what I want sent to me each month based on the items that my family needs. And so by being an Essential Rewards member, I get 25% back in points on anything that I spend. So if I spend $100 on products, I get $25 back to spend on free product. I can't remember what I requested for the month of January. Usually it's a little mixture of like personal care, supplements, and essential oils. So let's get into this box to see what I got for this month. So on top I have my packing slip. I have the Essential Edge, which is basically the newsletter that Young Living puts out monthly. And it has a lot of good information about the company and things like that, and it spotlights different products. So I'm going to set that to the side and look at that a little bit later. Have some packing. They pack their items really well. And so let's see what I have here. The first thing that I see, oh yeah, I remember ordering these. These are the Easy Breeze Awakening Shower Steamers. And so I have tried their bath bombs and I love them. They have like a lavender and a stress away bath bomb, and I love these. But this is the steamers, and so it says, the crisp effervescent scent of peppermint and eucalyptus essential oils combine to drift through warm shower steam, filling your shower with a rejuvenating aroma. Easy Breeze Awakening Shower Steamers infuse your morning with an invigorating, luxurious spa-like experience. This vegan formula is made without parabens, petrochemicals, synthetic colors, synthetic fragrances, or animal-derived ingredients. And so the directions say to place one shower steamer on the shower floor or a shelf where it gets wet but is outside the main water stream. Breathe in the fragrance-scented steam for an amazing at-home aromatic experience. And so I think there are 4 of them in here. My little girl loves the bath bombs. She's always asking me to use them, so these will be nice to try. Let's smell them real quick. Oh my gosh, they smell amazing. They're individually wrapped, but I can smell it really strongly through the packaging. Those will be great for supporting the respiratory system, or if you just need to kind of, you know, have that spa-like experience in the morning, that'd be great. So I'm excited about those. These are nice. All right, next in my box, let's go with the big tube. It's probably a supplement. And I usually get, yes, I was out of these. So I have the Inner Defense, and if you watch any of my videos, you know that I get these pretty regularly, especially during the school months from like August to May. I take these consistently. I did run out of them, so I'm happy to have these back. But basically, Inner Defense is like taking thieves in a capsule form. And it says immune system support, formulated with thieves, but it also has oregano, thyme, lemongrass. Yeah, so that's really good for supporting your health and wellness, especially with everything going on. As a school teacher, I feel like I'm exposed to a lot. And so it has that Thieves Blend, which is a combination of clove, cinnamon bark, lemon, eucalyptus radiata, and rosemary. So this is a great supplement to have. I like to take it at night because that's when I take most of my supplements and pills and things like that, because I have a sensitive stomach. So that's that. I have a box here. I don't know what would be in the box. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's interesting. I've never had an essential oil come in a package like this. This is Eucalyptus Blue, and so I have Eucalyptus globulus and I have Eucalyptus radiata, and so I thought it would be nice to add Eucalyptus Blue to my collection. I'm gonna open this up real quick. So as soon as I open it up, I can smell it. Let's open it up and smell it, okay? And if you know me, I like to try and add like a new product. And I think I added a couple new products now that I'm thinking about it, but we'll talk about that at the end. So let's smell Eucalyptus Blue. The other two eucalyptuses come in the 15 milliliter, but this comes in a 5 milliliter. So let's smell it. It doesn't smell like the Eucalyptus globulus or radiata. I don't know, it reminds me of herbs. Something that you cook with almost. That's interesting. Let's read what it says about Eucalyptus Blue. All right, so for Eucalyptus Blue, it says Eucalyptus Blue is grown and distilled on Young Living's farm in Ecuador. This essential oil is high in eucalyptol, which has a calming and invigorating scent when diffused. It's interesting because if I had to say, it's probably my least favorite smell out of the 3 eucalyptus essential oils, but that's interesting. I'll have to investigate and see how I can diffuse that or use that in my collection. Okay. Go ahead and go with another tube here. Oh, okay. This is something my husband will be excited about. He likes the Shutran Beard Oil, and so this is something I try to keep on stock for him. He has a longer beard and he enjoys maintaining it and taking care of it, and so I have been buying him this Shutran Beard Oil for quite a while, and it has the Shutran essential oil in it, and it smells really good. Let me read to you what it says about Shutran Beard Oil. He got some compliments on his beard the other day at work. Somebody told him that his beard was glistening, and so he does maintain his beard very well. There's a whole men's line that is based around the Shutran essential oil blend, and so let me read to you what's in the essential oil, and then we'll read the description of the beard oil. So the Shutran essential oil blend has Idaho blue spruce, ocotea, ylang ylang, hinoki, coriander, davana, lavender, cedarwood, lemon, and northern lights black spruce. And it says that it's an empowering essential oil blend specifically formulated for men to boost feelings of masculinity and confidence. Shutran is perfect for use as a cologne that appeals to both men and women. Okay, and so that's the main essential oil blend that's in the beard oil, and it says that Shutran Beard Oil features the great scent of our original Shutran essential oil blend, specially crafted to soften, condition, and add a healthy looking sheen to facial hair while moisturizing the skin underneath. And I think that's funny that it says that after he got that compliment about his beard glistening. So he really likes that beard oil a lot. All right, here's another tube. Oh, that's right. Here's another new essential oil blend for me. This is Peace and Calming 2. Now I have Peace and Calming, the original, and I like it. I don't diffuse it a lot, but I'm trying to really work on going through my essential oils and trying to find diffuser blends and different ways to use them. And so I was curious about the Peace and Calming 2 because this was formulated when Peace and Calming, the original, went out of stock. They formulated this to kind of be a backup. And so I'm gonna smell it real quick. Ooh, that smells really, really nice. I don't know if it has jasmine in it, but that's what I'm smelling. Ooh, yeah, I really like that. I think I might like that better than the original one. So let's read what's in Peace and Calming 2. All right, so Peace and Calming 2 creates a relaxing and pleasant aroma when inhaled or diffused. Dilute and apply it topically to moisturize and beautify the appearance of skin. And its ingredients are tangerine, orange, ylang ylang patchouli, German chamomile, vetiver, cistus, bergamot, cassia, davana, and northern lights black spruce. So it does not have jasmine in it, but it smells a lot like that to me. So that smells really, really nice. That's empty. I got one more item in here. I wonder what it is. It's another tube, but it was packaged in one of the bags with the little paper in it. I think that means it could be flammable. We'll see. Ooh, grounding, another newbie for me. Okay, so this is grounding, and let's smell it real quick. Ooh, I really like that too. So this is an essential oil blend. It comes in a 5 milliliter bottle, just like the other ones did. So I've got all 3 5 milliliter bottles. And let's read what it says about grounding real quick. That smells really nice. So I got 4 new items this month. Okay. So grounding, it says grounding is a balancing blend of scents used for feelings of clarity or to enhance spirituality. It says diffuse, directly inhale, or dilute with B6 vegetable oil complex and apply topically. Its ingredients are white fir, pine, angelica, black spruce, cedarwood, juniper, and ylang ylang. I don't know what it is in there that I love, but that smells so good. Let me smell it again. It's gotta be the tree oils, I bet. It smells really good. All right, so that's my order. Let me double check. So this month I had the Easy Breeze Awakening Shower Steamers, the Inner Defense, the Shutran Beard Oil, Grounding Essential Oil Blend, Peace and Calming Essential Oil Blend, and the Eucalyptus Blue, which is an essential oil single. So that's 4 new items for me this month that I'm excited to try. Now I did spend some of my points. Usually what I do is I try to bank up my points and spend them in a lump sum to get something. And so I have this extra box here, and inside I spent my points getting, I got a 30 pack of NingXia Red. And so NingXia Red is a supplement that Young Living has. It's probably one of their more popular supplements, but this is in packet form, and I'll show you. My little girl loves these. And so basically these are 2 fluid ounce packets of NingXia Red, and they recommend that you order the packets during the winter months because normally you can get it in a bottle. They have like 2 packs, 4 packs, 8 packs of bottles that you can purchase, but in the winter time, because of the possibility of freezing, they don't recommend getting the bottles because it could break the glass. And so I ordered a 30 pack with my points of the NingXia Red, and it says NingXia Red combines extraordinary wolfberry superfruit with 100% pure essential oils in a powerful whole body nutrient infusion. The benefits of the legendary NingXia wolfberry have been sought after for centuries, and ongoing research continues to yield exciting new health properties. Enjoy its naturally delicious flavor daily to sustain energy and to fortify, replenish key nutrients for long-lasting health and wellness. And so basically it's a really nice fruity drink that like you shake them up because there's puree in there. Let me get my book and I'll read more about this for you. So it says NingXia Red is a healthy daily supplement beverage that contains whole NingXia wolfberry puree, a superfruit blend of blueberry, aronia, cherry, pomegranate, and plum juices, natural stevia extract, grapeseed extract, pure vanilla extract, and orange, yuzu, lemon, and tangerine essential oils. And so this is a really super fruity drink. What I'll do with these packets is I'll keep a few of them whole for my little girl to drink from. Some people like to freeze them and make them almost like a NingXia Red popsicle. But what I do is I take these because it's wintertime, and I'll pour them into my bottles and refill my bottles. That way I have them in my refrigerator. I like to take my NingXia Red, like you only need an ounce or 2 each day. And so what I usually do is I'll take an ounce and I'll either add grapefruit, orange, lime, tangerine, vitality essential oils to it to give it an extra few drops of citrus essential oil to it, and it tastes delicious. So that's what I spent my points on. So those are all the things I got for this month, including my points. And so if you have any questions about Young Living, let me know. I will leave my membership number in the description box below. You can use that membership number to try out a few items. To become a Young Living member, you have to sign up with one of their premium starter kits, whether it be like with the diffuser and the essential oil kit, or you can do a NingXia Red starter kit. They have a Thieves household cleaning starter kit. That's how you become a Young Living member. And when you do that, you get a 24 or 25% discount. I think it's 24% discount on the total cost of your items. So like There's a retail cost, and then there's a membership cost for items. And so that saves you quite a bit of money when you do that. But I'll also, because I'm an Essential Rewards member and I order monthly, I get to bank 25% of my points towards free items. And so usually about every few months I'll take those points and spend them, and that's what I did to get the NingXia Red. So if you have any questions, let me know, and until next time, bye guys.